Hi guys, it's Questfish here, and today I thought I'd do a little experiment. I've been thinking about this one for a while. Why is it that yawning seems to be contagious? I was thinking about the other day at work actually, because someone yawned in the office and then someone else yawned and then I want to yawn. Like, let's talk about it now. I want to yawn, see? Just talking about it and I want to yawn. If you saw, how many, where am I going to start? I'm feeling all tired from doing it now. How many times have you seen someone yawn and then you've yawned yourself? So I wanted to do a little social experiment in this video and just be honest, you know, spend that second just to like this video if you actually yawned watching the beginning of it. Watching me yawn, because it'd be interesting to see. And then if you could write a comment below and say, I watched it in the morning, I yawned, or I watched it in the afternoon, or I watched it in the evening, I yawned, or even, do you know, we could really investigate this even deeper, and we could say, you could say if you are an active at that point, as in like, just say you've been to the gym, you've come home, and then you watched my video, you yawned. Or the complete opposite end of the scale. Say you just eating a big dinner or something. Because you know, generally when you eat food you get tired. So I guess what we're trying to find out, or I'm trying to find out, is, you know, what makes us yawn, why do we yawn, and why do we yawn when someone else yawns? God, I'm rambling a bit, jumping around. So anyway guys, just please like it, for starters, if you did yawn, out of curiosity. And if you got a spare moment, please write, you know, a little comment on why you yawned from what I just explained. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and you didn't fall asleep. I'm joking. But you can see me next Sunday at 6 o'clock for another quality video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching once again, and I shall see you guys next week.